In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Darktable. Cropping is one of the quickest ways to strengthen your composition, remove distractions, and guide the viewer's eye. And Darktable makes it straightforward while keeping your original photo safe. Start in Lighttable, the thumbnail view where you manage your images. When you're ready to edit, simply double-click the photo you want. That opens it in Darkroom, which is Darktable's editing workspace. You'll see your image large in the center, with modules along the right side that control different adjustments. To find the crop tool, look to that right side module list. You can scroll through the modules until you spot the one labeled Crop, or speed things up by using the search box and typing the word Crop. Once you've found it, click to expand the Crop module. As soon as it's enabled, a crop rectangle appears over your photo, complete with handles at the corners and along the edges. Adjusting the crop is simple. To resize, drag any corner or edge handle to make the crop area larger or smaller. Think about what you're including and what you're leaving out. Eliminate distractions near the edges and give your subject enough breathing room. If the main subject feels off-center, or if you want to change the balance, click inside the crop rectangle and drag to reposition it over the area you want to keep. When you need a precise move, you can constrain your adjustment while dragging. Hold the Control key to limit movement horizontally, which is great for aligning horizons or maintaining a consistent top and bottom. Hold the Shift key to limit movement vertically, helpful when you want the sides to stay aligned as you nudge the crop up or down. Use these modifiers whenever you want straight, controlled adjustments without accidentally shifting in both directions. Once you're happy with how it looks, there's nothing special you need to do to save. Darktable works non-destructively, which means your original file stays untouched and the crop is stored as an edit. To finalize, simply switch to another module or close the crop panel. Your crop is applied automatically, and you can always come back to the crop module later to refine it if you change your mind. That's all it takes to crop in Darktable. Open the photo in Darkroom, find and enable the crop module, adjust the rectangle to suit your composition, use Ctrl or Shift for precise movement, and move on. Clean, quick, and non-destructive.